Let me ask you a question, and it's going to make you very uncomfortable. If I told you your business had a credit score of 490 out of 850, what would you do? You'd panic, right? You'd immediately want to know why it's so low, what's causing it to be so low, and how fast you can fix it. Because you know what a 490 credit score means. Banks won't lend to you, suppliers won't extend terms, and your business is at serious risk. You wouldn't ignore it. You wouldn't think about it. You'd fix it immediately. Now let me tell you about a score that's just as critical to your business survival. But 99% of packaging and B2B manufacturers have never even seen it. It's called your AI Trust Signal Score. And there's a 95% chance your score is below 50%. That's not out of 850, that's out of 100. That is an F. And it's costing you millions in lost sales right now. Let me show you. I'm David Marinak, and I've been in the packaging and B2B manufacturing space for 35 years. And in the last 18 months, I've watched something happen that most manufacturers have completely missed. 90% of B2B buyers now use AI search, ChatGPT, Perplexity, Claude to find suppliers. They're not Googling flexible packaging manufacturer anymore. They're asking AI what's the best packaging solution for extended shelf life dairy products with oxygen barrier requirements. And AI gives them 3 to 5 detailed recommendations. But here's the problem. If your AI Trust Signal score is below 50%, you're not on that list. You're invisible to 90% of potential buyers, and you have no idea it's happening. Let me show you exactly what I mean. Think of your AI Trust Signal score exactly like a business credit score. Your credit score measures your ability to borrow money. Your AI Trust Signal score measures your ability to be found by buyers. Your credit score is based on payment history, credit utilization, length of credit history, types of credit that you have, and your AI Trust Signal score is based upon technical signals. Can AI read your website? Authority signals. Are you a credible source? And brand signals. Are you transparent and trustworthy? Here's the brutal truth. You wouldn't run your business with a 490 credit score and just hope things got better. But you're running your business with a 49% AI Trust Signal score, and you have no idea. This is a real AI Trust Signal report for a $58 million flexible packaging supplier. Their score, 51%. That's an F. And when I showed this to the CEO, he asked me one simple question. How much of our $14 million revenue drop is because of this? Now let me show you what this credit report actually evaluates. The AI Trust Signal score measures 20 different trust factors across 3 different categories. Category number 1, technical trust signals. Is the foundational stuff? Can AI even read your website? Do you have schema markup, meaning machine-readable code? Is your site fast and mobile optimized? Do you have proper security? Is your business information consistent across the web? Average manufacturer score on technical signals, 45%. Most manufacturers are failing. Category 2, authority trust signals. Does AI see you and your company as a credible, authoritative source? Do you have detailed, specific educational content? Can AI identify real people behind your content? Do you have case studies with real numbers? Do you have reviews with social proof? Average manufacturer score on authority signals, 47%. Most manufacturers, again, are failing. In category 3, brand trust signals. Does AI see you as transparent and trustworthy? Do you publish pricing or cost guidance? Are you easy to contact? Do you clearly articulate your values? Is your content regularly updated? Average manufacturer score on brand signals, 52%. Most manufacturers are barely passing. And it added all up, and the average B2B manufacturer score is 49%. Again, that's failing. And here's what that means. When 90% of your buyers ask AI to recommend suppliers, you don't appear. Let me show you what a 49% score actually cost you. This information is critical. Let's say you're a $50 million packaging manufacturer. Your addressable market is $500 million annually, meaning that whole entire market for you is up to, or value-wise, is up to $500 million should you get it, okay? Your realistic market share potential of that $500 million is 15%, or $75 million. Follow? Current revenue right now is $50 million, meaning there's an opportunity gap of $25 million. Now, if your AI trust signal score is 49%, that means you're invisible to 90% of buyers using AI search. If even 40% of that $25 million gap is due to invisibility, now think about that. That's $10 million in potential lost sales per year because buyers can't find you, and it compounds. Year one, you lose $10 million in opportunities you never saw. Year two, $10 million plus existing customers start shopping around. Year three, that $10 million again, plus competitors who are visible dominate your business market. 3-year impact, over $30 million in lost revenue. And again, you had no idea this was happening. Let me give you an analogy that makes this even clearer. Imagine you go to a doctor because you've been feeling sick for months. The doctor runs a full diagnostic, blood work, scans, complete analysis. Then the doctor sits you down and says, I know exactly what's wrong. Your numbers are way off. Here's the diagnosis. Here's why you're sick. And here's the prescription to fix it. It'll cost $1,500 and we can start treatment immediately. You look at the doctor and you say, I'm going to think about it. If you did that, you'd be an idiot. To yourself, to your family, and of course, the doctor would think so as well. But that's exactly what B2B manufacturers are doing right now. There's an independent diagnostic, the AI Trust Signal Report, that shows you your exact score, why your company is sick, why sales are down, etc., what's causing it, and how to fix it. And when I show manufacturers their score, usually 49% or lower, and explain that we can fix it, they say they need to think about it. Meanwhile, their sales are down 20%, minimum. Their pipeline is soft. Their reps are quoting like crazy but closing nothing. They'd rather stay sick. But here's the good news. When you do fix this in your AI Trust Signal score, everything changes. Let me show you a real example. $38 million thermoforming manufacturer. Starting point. AI Trust Signal score, 47%. Sales declining 18% year over year. Pipeline, again, soft. Reps bringing in quotes, but no orders. Now, what they did. First, they got their AI Trust Signal report. They got a visibility blueprint from us, and they fixed their content and technical issues. Now, within 60 days, a little bit less, a little bit more, but in that 60 to 90-day range, their AI Trust Signal score skyrocketed from 47% to 83%. They became the #1 AI recommendation in their niche. Inbound inquiries were up 340%. Conversion rate from 4% to 31%. And revenue increase $4.2 million in less than 9 months. The CEO told me, "I can't believe we almost didn't do this. We were going to think about it and probably would have done nothing." This saved our business. Here's what you need to understand. Right now, in 2025, there's a massive competitive opportunity. This is Q4 of 2025. 95% of manufacturers continue to be invisible to AI. The big companies, the big boys, are asleep. There's a 6-month window for that small to medium-sized company to dominate and beat the big boys. Now in Q1 and Q2 of 2026, 20% of manufacturers are going to figure this out. Competition increases. And in Q4 of 2026, 50% of manufacturers are scrambling. Early movers have an insurmountable lead. My point is, if you act in this window immediately, you have a massive, massive opportunity. Now again, you're watching this in Q4 of 2025. You have a 6-month head start. But while you're thinking about it, your competitors are moving. And in 6 months, when they're the #1 recommended AI recommendation and you're still invisible, you'll wish you had acted today. So here's what I want you to do right now. Open ChatGPT. Ask it, what are the best your product manufacturers for your specific application? Get detailed, not generic. This is not vanilla. Again, ask it what are the best product manufacturers for your specific applications. See if your company appears. If you don't appear, you're invisible to 90% of buyers and decision makers. Now you have 2 choices. You can close this video, go back to what you're doing, and hope things get better. Number 2, you can get your AI trust signal score, find out where you actually stand, and fix your invisibility before your competitors do. If you're ready to see your score, click the link in the description, and I'll show you. I'll show you how to get your AI trust signal report, what your score is, whether buyers can actually find you, and how to fix it if you have a failing grade. You would not run your business with a 490 credit score. Don't run it with a 49% AI trust signal score. Get the diagnostic, get the prescription, fix the problem, or watch your competitors do it for you. That's your choice. Now, I hope you like the video. If you do, please like it, please subscribe, and again, as always, please share it with anybody you think it'll help. Thanks.